Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Yasir Foysol Rahib and I recently gave my IELTS exam on 3rd of February 2024. I got an overall bench score of 7.5, in which I got an 8.5 on my listening test, a 6.5 in my reading, a 6.5 in my writing, and a 7.5 in my speaking test. I enrolled in HEXA'S Zindabazar after listening to quite of my friends. They gave me suggestion. I was under the batch of Mukul sir. He was my instructor, and assistant teacher Hassan sir. They were really cooperative throughout the whole course. Whenever I used to face any problem, I used to text them, and Mukul sir used to instantly reply to my text or answer my text. They helped me a lot throughout the whole course, and I would overall say my experience in HEXA'S Zindabazar was quite good, and the overall team of HEXA'S Zindabazar is really good, and I recommend all of you guys to take admission to HEXA'S Zindabazar because they will be very helpful and it will help you in your IELTS journey a lot. So overall, I want to thank HEXA'S Zindabazar for everything.